Hey fam, hope everyone is doing fine. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. I greet you according to your time, depending on where you're watching me from. Please, there is something I want to call your attention to, and I'm talking particularly to the men. Most men still find it very difficult to understand the women they got married to. That is because men and women were framed differently. A man finds it difficult to understand why this very small thing will be very you will make an issue out of it. Men still find it very difficult to understand why women will cry over very little things, something that they can look like this and they don't understand it. But that is something that will cause a woman to cry, to carry a long face, and all of that. And I want to say this: there are marriages that have been destroyed because the small thing that you were to do as a man, you decided to put your ego, your pride, you decided to put your pride and say that no, there is nothing that cannot continue. I cannot be begging you for nothing and nothing. You keep acting like you don't see anything that is happening. Number one, I want to just list out 3 or 4 major things that typical characteristics of women. How women will behave when they are frustrated, when they are angry, when they actually want you to beg them and it's not forthcoming. How they start behaving. Number one, they they will become very quiet. When a woman is very angry, women are known to be talkative. They talk too much from childhood, from early stages of development. If you have a boy child and a girl child, the girl will talk very much, way more than the boy. And that is how women are. And so when you discover that your wife is no longer that person that will probably complain that you went and pooped and you did not flush the toilet very well, you came and saw something there, and what they normally will get angry over, you did one no inofike. You come and trace your trousers and say inoke. Just very quiet, very calm. The things that will irritate her and she talks to you, he no even give it down like he even look and say any of that thing in there. No say no, you don't do some big thing with that one, then a minor thing, the way no one even the waste time to talk about her. It's earlier you go and find out what exactly the problem is. Call her and have a proper conversation. Approach matter. The way you call it matter. The way you start talking the thing matter. All the thing way you go work at say no. You have the only carry face for her say and you understand now wetin be the problem. What you expect for here? You go to say nothing. That was not a good approach. Problem dey. You don't say and say no, they fine. Probably the sleep for bed safe, they give you back you to the face as I say we are lucky now waiting your own. You go sleep you. Now go there for day, you go sleep you, go sleep you. But when you been a man way, you know why you got married to that woman. You know your place as a man of the house. You know go ignore that kind of thing. You know go can't say and when a woman they wanna start vex some kind of small thing there. Now waiting now since morning time you only carry long face. That's not how to approach an angry woman. A woman who is frustrated about something, that's not approach that. Don't approach that. If you be man pikin wey you watch the video, I know say they talk say no, una get una pride, but it gets one time when you don't see the waiting in there for house now, put their pride for your pocket. Fair fine place you don. You ask say, mommy oh, baby, you know say when you know you smile so, my day dey be tense now, I dey go work and if you even work now. I not to say you need if you work, even if you dey go work, you will just tell you so. We love to hear that. You say I need if you work me now. Since morning I notice and say you now wetin I don't do. What is the problem, mama? No woman for a right senses. Women being go approach you for that kind of way for make peace. They go sit down now. No, leave her nothing and then me fine. Nothing. We problem really dey. Most times now they approach we when a man picking in the user. Now they carry the problem, go fast, okay. Some small things so. Some small things so. It will be in that way you don't pack thing and you go sleep for picking the room. And now when they ask you, you yourself you know go fit talk the thing. Because that way the thing be see for that level way, you feel just to say, mama, please leave her. Sometimes I do that thing I don't even know. Forgive me, leave her me pass, leave her my beg, I be sorry, leave her. You know, you go take your coat to her. Koro, le man foul. For that case now, whatever we make the woman may vex, the woman be right. Now you be wrong. Because yes, 2 wrongs cannot make it right. That we see and say the vex you do it. Apply wisdom. Apply wisdom. Most times apply wisdom. Oh, now yesterday to say, woman dey picking. Okay, we not to say woman dey picking. You and now you be the papa. You do it for try to pamper their picking. Me peace reign.